Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be discussing our question answers of our poem The Blind Boy. So we're gonna be discussing our main of understand the poem. In that our first question is, who is the voice of the poem The Blind Boy? The answer of this question is, the poet as a blind boy is the voice of the poem. Our second question is, the blessings of this sight, line 3. Can you list out a few of them? The answer of this question is, the blessings of this sight are many. Those who have eyesight, they can enjoy the blessings of this sight. They can see the whole world, nature, sun, moon, stars, mountains, rivers, parents, friends, etc. In other words, we can say that most all the things they can see. Our third question is, how does a blind person understand whether it is day or night? The answer of this question is, whenever the blind person awakes, it is day, and when he sleeps, it is a night for him. He can understand the day like this. Our fourth question is, read lines 13 and 14. Who is sympathizing with whom? The answer of this question is, the reader would sympathize the blind boy. They feel very bad and give heavy sighs and slow their sorrow by saying that he was unlucky. Our fifth question is, how does the blind pacify himself? Quote the lines that suggest this. The answer of this question is, the blind boy appeased himself that we can know by the following lines. As a loss I never can know, then let not what I cannot have my cheer of mine destroy, and then he feels. Whilst thus I sing, I am a king, although a poor blind boy.